Like so many Garinagu, I first learned about our traditional remedies, treatment, and medicinal plants from my maternal grandmother, Millennia Thomas, who I called Ma. I lived with my grandmother for several years in her village. Growing up in a village back then, we didn't have easy access to any doctors or nurses, so we relied on traditional remedies and treatments. I recall thinking that my grandmother had a cure for everything. She would go to what I referred to as the bush garden, collect the plant, and make a remedy for whatever sickness anyone had. Also, I learned so much more about traditional remedies from my mother.
Excellent. Can you also give us an example of some of the remedies, treatments, or plants that you remember your grandmother using and for what purpose?
The first thing that comes to my mind is Sina. Oh my God, I hated Sina. Sina is what we use for a purge. We used to have to purge at least 4 times a year or every time the season changed. My grandmother would collect the Sina leaves, boil the leaves to make tea, squeeze lemon in it, and give it to us as a drink, sometimes with a spoon of honey to chase down the horrible taste. Whenever it was time to drink Sina, my grandmother and my sisters had to chase me and hold me down to drink that stuff. I could not stand it. If we had any worms or parasites, the Sina got rid of it all. I mean, it got rid of everything. My mother continued the tradition of giving us Sina every season when we migrated to the United States. The only difference was that she added Epsom salt to the ingredients to supposedly help with the stomach ache or the stomach cramping, but yeah, it didn't help. But it did help with the purge.